Do you know that the green scrub pads that you're using damage and scratches the surfaces of your porcelain sinks and toilets? I'm Dave Thompson. I'm a 50-year veteran of the commercial cleaning industry, and I have a few tips to help you, at home. So what is the tip? Do not use these. Abrasive cleaners like Comet, steel wool, pumice sticks, they all do the same thing. So what's wrong with these items? It's the abrasive material that's on these items and the powders that are made up of materials that scratch and scar the surfaces. They're microscopic scratches that harbor bacteria, minerals, and other contaminants. So, the surface begins to degrade and will never be thoroughly clean or shiny again. It's best to use a liquid chemical or a cream cleanser to dissolve the issue and then use a stiff pad to agitate. Please be sure that you're purchasing the right product when you spend your cash. Use this tip from the experts and be sure that you're using the right product in the right place in the right way to help you provide a safe and healthy environment for your family. Don't miss out on our commercial cleaning tips that you can use. Subscribe and like and learn more. If you have a question, a thought, or a comment, share it below. We all like to learn. Until next time, I'll see you right here at the Academy.